Hi, I'm Matt from Ellis Estate Agents, and I'm here to give you the latest property news from the local housing market. According to Rightmove, demand for property from the start of last month was down 17% compared to the post-lockdown frenzy seen in August last year. However, it was still 56% higher than the normal market seen in August 2019. In August, in the area we cover, 209 properties were put on the market for sale. That is a dramatic decrease of 45% compared to August last year. Sales were down 15% compared to last year, with 220 sales agreed. It's easy to see why the supply and demand for housing is the real driving force behind this buoyant market we're experiencing. The average house price in the east of England is a smidgen over £392,000. That is a 7.5% increase over the last year. As long as demand remains high and supply is short, house prices only seem to be likely to head in one direction for the foreseeable future. Viewing levels remain high, and we often have several buyers offering on the same property. Buyers on our Property Premier group on our Facebook page get to see all the new instructions before they go live on any property portals. They are able to book viewings on any new instruction before anyone else. Should you be interested in joining this group, head over to our Facebook page and join the Property Premier group. As a buyer, to give yourself the best opportunity to have an offer accepted, you need to be ready and able to proceed. This means you've instructed a solicitor, you have a mortgage agreement in principle, proof of your deposit and 2 forms of ID. Contact any of our offices and they'll be more than happy to help you get financially and legally prepared. Finally, as we head towards the end of the year, there's still time to move into your new home before Christmas. However, you need to act quickly. Now's a great time to sell, and the market's still likely to be busy for the next few months before we have a traditional slowdown in December. Please do not hesitate to contact any of our offices should you want to get things moving, and thank you very much for watching.